feel like we should have a point coming out of it, but it's a hard team over there to play against, and they capitalized on the few mistakes we made, and we just got to keep our heads up because we obviously have some tough opponents coming up here, and I think all in all we played a pretty good game.
We talk a lot about the process of how the team is coming along, and it's been a bit of a process the first 6 weeks of the season. When you see a game like this, you feel good about the direction that the team overall is heading.
Absolutely. I think we've eliminated a lot of the bad habits in our game, and it's just made us a better team. I think we've committed to getting rid of pucks and putting them in the right areas when the time calls for it, and making plays and using our skill when when the play is there. So it's just a matter of us sticking with that, and in tough games like this, when we go down by a goal or two, not getting off the page and the plan that works. And, like I said, I think we stuck with it tonight despite what happened there in the third, and we were able to keep it close and have a good chance to tie it up there.
What's it like for defense? You're just sure tonight you dressed 7, like everybody played with everybody. What's it kind of like? Does that keep you on your toes a little more as a defenseman?
I think Todd Richards has done a great job of handling that and spreading the ice time out, so you don't feel like you're getting lost and maybe sitting for 5-6 minutes at a time. I think it's a matter of just going out there, and I think he knows that some guys are usually paired with others. He tries to keep those pairs together, but you just have to go out there and play, and it's our system and sticking with it and making sure that we're not trying to do anything out of the ordinary.
We've got a couple of tough games coming up this weekend. How quickly you try and put this behind you when you get Friday and Saturday?
Yeah, I think it's it'll be behind us in an hour or so. I think we'll get a day off tomorrow to regroup, but we're looking forward to a big game in Washington against a team that's obviously playing really well. So we got to make sure we're on our A game.
What are these games measuring stick moments for you guys? Games against Blues and then obviously the Capitals on Friday.
Yeah, they're big. Obviously, two teams who've been successful the last few years and are successful again this year and at the top of the standings. So we just we know the type of hockey that they play, and it's a winning brand of hockey, and we got to make sure that we stick with that as well and don't get off gauge because they feast on that. And it's a good measuring stick, and again, I think our game's tracking well, and we're putting ourselves in position to win games against teams like this.